Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my amazing recipes. Like, share, and comment on this video. Alright, so today we will be making spicy cabbage egg rolls. These guys are amazingly delicious, like restaurant quality egg rolls. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here are the list of my ingredients, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. Okay, I have garlic, onion, chicken bouillon, peppers, I have cabbage, carrots, and finely sliced mushrooms. These guys are the best egg roll wrappers you can use, and they are located in the freezer section of your favorite supermarket. Alright, I do have some noodles, and here I am pouring some boiling water. I'm allowed this to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can boil that from 3 to 5 minutes. So to my pan, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding some diced onions and some garlic, and we'll allow this to cook for about 1.5 minutes on low heat. Then I'm going in with my finely sliced mushrooms. Give this a good stir, guys. Then I'm going in with my chicken bouillon and my pepper flakes and some parsley and cilantro, and give this a good stir. It smells amazing already. If you guys do not like the pepper, you can omit that. Alright, it doesn't take away from the egg roll flavor. I did add some sesame seed oil, and this smells OMG, absolutely delicious. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before you go in with your grated ginger, or you can use ginger paste. So after about 6.5 minutes, I remove and allow my mushrooms to cool at room temperature. It smells amazing. So now I have my noodles, and I'll cut this into quarts. Make sure your noodles, guys, are not lumpy. They're nice and loose like that. Awesome. And now I am going in with my mushrooms. They're at room temperature now. And then I'm adding my cabbage and my carrots and some cilantro and parsley. And I'm using 2 forks here, and I'll go ahead and mix this together. Now you can choose to use your hand, that is just fine. Alright. So we want everything to be really well combined. Make sure to adjust your seasoning here if you want to add more. For me, I did not, and this was just perfect. I can eat this as is. Looks like a cabbage salad. Awesome. So make sure to cover your egg roll wrap with a damp towel. These guys dry out very fast. So we place that on our work surface, and then we will go in with our filling. Awesome. You can also shape your filling. So now we will add some egg wash to the end of the egg roll wrap, or you can use water. And we are going to roll this really tight. Besides having the best egg roll wrap, you want to seal this and roll it tightly. What we do not want is to have the oil to seep in our mixture. We do not want an oily, greasy egg roll. Make sure it is tightly sealed. Awesome. And now it's time for us to head to the fryer. And we're going to fry this until they're nice and golden brown. Your oil should be anywhere around 300 degrees. We're going to let this cool until we cut into it, and this is what it looks like. Guys, this is so amazingly delicious. They're crunchy, they're flavorful and tasty. Listen, you guys just have to make this one, okay? Again, thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. If you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Like, share, and comment. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.